Hi there, I'm going to show a simple solution for a common problem that we see reported by some of our users that use Lightroom. The issue is that when making a copy of the Lightroom catalog to a backup volume, if you open that catalog on the backup volume, sometimes Lightroom has trouble finding the photos. So what I have here is just a simple Lightroom catalog with some of my photos. And I like to make a copy of this. I have this on my photos volume, and we can see them right here in the Finder. Here's my catalog, and then the photos are just in a folder adjacent to that catalog. Now I could use Carbon Copy Cloner to make this copy, or I could just use the Finder. It doesn't really matter what you use to make the copy. The issue is within Lightroom. So I'll just use the Finder because this is pretty small. And now I'm going to eject the original volume, and then we're going to see what happens when I open the copy of this Lightroom catalog on my backup volume. So we see in Lightroom, it looks like the photos are there, but if you hover over this little icon, Lightroom claims that the photo is actually missing, and we can see that it's actually looking in the photos for that photos volume, which is no longer present. But of course the files are present. They're right here. So the files were copied fine. This is not at all a matter of the data not being backed up. It is just a matter of Lightroom looking in the wrong place for the photos. So the easy solution here to get it looking in the correct place is to just click on this icon. It'll tell you that the original file couldn't be found. Would you like to locate it? And it gives you this hint about where it was previously located. So that volume is no longer present. I simply indicate where that file is, and here it is. I click select, and now Lightroom is actually pretty smart about this. It will look around and find that all of these other missing photos were in that same folder. And you could actually right click on the missing folder. So if you have lots of folders of photos scattered all over the place, you could go folder by folder and show it where the missing folder is. So that's two different ways of solving this very simple problem of Lightroom not being able to find photos after making a copy of a Lightroom catalog.
If you have additional questions about using Carbon Copy Cloner, select Carbon Copy Cloner Help from the Help menu and search the knowledge base. You can also ask a question about CCC to submit a question to our help desk, or visit bombyc.com.